Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn text into magical storybook in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open your Canva. This is the desktop version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. Now to get started, you can click apps, then click AI powered. Now you can scroll down, then you have to find the children's book, transforms text into magical storybooks, bringing imagination to life one story at a time. Children's Book is an app that converts text descriptions into captivating children's storybook, fostering creativity and imagination in young minds. Click use in new design, and here you can describe your children's book style. You can try an example for practice. A little girl with a red hood carrying a basket of fruit, magical forest with a lion and unicorn, and so on. And let's try a journey to the pyramids with a camel. No, let's try with a dragon. And here, if you turn on consistency mode, when enabled, output will be more similar to each other. So click to generate your image. Please wait, this may take a few seconds. And here we go. This is a journey to the pyramid with a dragon. A dragon without wings here, as you can see. It's more like a lizard. So here for more details, you can describe more object, more subject, to get a detailed art or detailed result. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.